These are the top 5 most terrifying siren sound on Earth. And the last one is the most terrifying. But first, if there's a wish deep in your heart, know this: God sees it, and if you truly believe, do this one small thing for Him. Like this video, subscribe, and share with your real friend. Then comment, "God is good all the time." May He bless you and your loved ones and bring your wish to life. Don't risk it. First is Chicago tornado warning siren. Next is Zero drone. Next is Super Sirex siren. Next is Thunderbolt 113. Finally, the last one.